All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to be starting a new section of our course, a new module, since we finished our old module and we actually did go over the workshop that completed that section of the module. Now we're going to be moving on and starting a new one. This one is going to be an entirely new section called Moccasin, and this we're going to start with Moccasin favorites introduction. So in this section, we will start the process of understanding Moccasin favorites and their use cases. Moccasin is a smart contract development framework that will help us deploy and maintain professional code. In the last section, we ran into a few problems when building our smart contract. We ran into issues when attempting to deploy our contract using the raw Python, which we are able to remedy using the Titanoboa tool in our contract. However, we still ran into small issues along the way, which we were able to correct using different methods that allowed us to successfully deploy our small contract to the blockchain using the Anvil tool and terminal. Now, moving forward, we'll be exploring Moccasin, which is a command line tool very similar to Viper, where we can use it to compile, deploy, test, and work on different networks when we are in our Python and our Viper smart contracts. Now, Moccasin is described as a fast Pythonic smart contract deployment framework heavily powered by Titanoboa. Moving forward, we will still be working with our favorites.y contract file, but now we will be using Moccasin to interact with it. We will be using the same favorites.y contract file because we should be familiar with it by now, and it will be a good framework to begin with while we train with Moccasin. Now, moving forward, we'll be deploying our small contract directly. And I'm going to leave it there for now. Like I said, we're starting a new section with a entirely new topic, Moccasin favorites. So, yeah, we're going to leave it right there right now. And we're going to pick it back up tomorrow, diving even deeper as we go further. So stay tuned for that. But, of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.